All right, guys, so real quick, I just wanted to unbox my Moxie Life bag that I got. Live your best life with us. Thank you, Moxie. So I've been slacking on using my Moxie Life planner because, damn it, I just can't get into that size and I really want to and it sucks. So I just purchased the companion notebook straight from the site. I can't get it. I gotta do it because I love the goal settingness and I just can't get myself to keep messing with that big size. So I want to bring them in. I'm going to punch them and put them in my A5. All right. So I'm not a Moxie hater at all. I actually freaking love this and I shouldn't be showing you this part. So somehow I'm going to have to block that out because it has my whole address on it. All right. I guess we're just going to have to do that again. All right, so this is the market bag. So your market bag helps break a poverty cycle. The mothers who handcrafted your bag receive fair trade wages, annual profit dividends, and a retirement fund. That's freaking awesome. Seriously, absolutely awesome. Your long-lasting everyday market bag. We believe you want a product of enduring qualities, so this bag is made to last. Strong enough to hold 135 pounds, so I can put my kid in it, and has a water-resistant interior. Hell yeah! That's awesome. All right, let's check it out. So I have like a real affinity for this canvas texture. Like I absolutely love it. The original market bag, handcrafted exclusively by Apollos? I don't know. But there's all kinds of this goodie stuff, which I love more than packing material, so that's a good thing. All right, here it is. Let me empty it out and bump into the camera, you know. Those dreams look good on you. Why, thank you, Moxie. All right, so here it is, just begin. I love that. So this bag is not huge. I really, in my mind, thought it was gonna be bigger, but I also have to tell you that when it comes to directions and dimensions, your girl has no clue. I literally need like a ruler and my husband to help me figure it out. So I think it's awesome. I'm not entirely sure how this is going to work in my life except for just simply having my planner like bag with me, because right now I have like a mess next to the bed and this would be really, really cool to keep next to the bed and have my stuff in it. So here's my hourly. Pop that in there. Now I don't use that as much as I use my other one, my A5, so pop that in there. And then the one other thing that I need all the time is my Delphonics pouch. So let's see, can we do it? Sold. So that might not be the best, so let's see. We can take one or two things out of here because I've been having her jam-packed with like double stuff. So let's turn it around. And then, check it out. Got my markers, slide them right down the side. And if I need my planny pack, which this doubles up sometimes, I need my planny pack, check it out. That's awesome. All right, guys, so I know that's really up and close. Like this may not be the best vid, but look, planny pack, hourly. Agenda, which is pretty thick. Got my Delphonics bag, which I can fit a lot more stuff in this right now because I did have other stuff in it, which, I mean, let's be real. Here's what I'm gonna be putting in my Delphonics bag. I'm going to be putting these sticker books because I'm gonna be loading them up so that I always have them with me. Check it out. And they fit in there nicely. Beautiful. That is the perfect planner sack. Absolutely in love. So let's take out everything that's in this bag now so you can see. Delphonics pouch, okay? Look at all the stuff that's in here. More markers than you can count. Okay, we have fine tip marker pack. planny pack with the goodies in it, okay? It's not empty. Then we have my funky A5 agenda and my 18-month sexy, yes, that's me and my husband, hourly plan. I think it's awesome. Well done, Moxie. I can't wait to add in my companion notebooks. All right, guys, so that's my quick little review of the Marketplace bag. I think that's what we called it, right? And I love it. Absolutely love it. It's gonna make the side of the bed look so much tidier and making sure that I have all the stuff that I need with me and making me happy as well. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are awesome. Thank you for checking out this little quick one. And don't forget, they are still on sale. Go on and get one, okay? So your everyday, long-lasting market bag. Check it out. 8 years, I'm all in. Guys, smash that like button. If you're not already subscribed, get down there and subscribe and have a freaking awesome day. Be good to one another. Wash your damn hands. Make good choices. Be good people. Peace.